Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Wright, and I'm excited to be here with you today to talk about an essential topic for supporting neurodiverse students in our classrooms: differentiated instruction. Differentiated instruction is all about providing multiple pathways for learning, ensuring that every student can engage with the material in a way that suits their unique needs and strengths. Today, we'll explore several key techniques, including tiered assignments, flexible grouping, and personalized learning plans. Let's start with tiered assignments. This approach allows us to provide different levels of tasks for students based on their readiness, interest, and learning profiles. Instead of giving everyone the same assignment, we create variations of the assignment that vary in complexity or depth. For example, if we are working on a research project, one group of students might focus on identifying key facts about a topic, while another group might be tasked with analyzing and comparing multiple sources of information. It's the beauty of tiered assignments that is how they provide the right level of challenge for each student. It helps everyone engage with the material in a way that's appropriate for them, which can be especially beneficial for neurodiverse students who might need their more support or more challenge. Next, let's talk about flexible grouping. This technique involves grouping and regrouping students based on their learning needs. Rather than sticking to fixed groups, for instance, you might have small groups that are working together on a math problem, with each group having a mix of skill level. In another lesson, you could group students by interest, allowing them to explore a topic that they're passionate about. Flexible grouping allows students to learn from each other and take on different roles and to experience a variety of social and academic interactions. This can be particularly helpful for students with social communication difficulties, like those with autism spectrum disorder, as it provides structured opportunity to practice social skills in different contexts. Now, let's discuss personalized learning plans. These plans are tailored to the specific needs and strengths and goals of individual students. They outline what the student will learn, how they will learn it, and how their learning will be assessed. This can include accommodations like extended time, alternative formats for assignments, or even incorporating a student's special interest into the curriculum to boost engagement. Personalized learning plans are a powerful tool for neurodiverse students as they honor each student's unique way of learning and providing a clear and individualized pathway to success. It's important to collaborate with students, their families, and any support staff when creating these plans to ensure that they are truly a reflection of the student's needs. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds like a lot of work. And yes, differentiated instruction does require effort and creativity, but the benefits are truly worth it. By using these strategies, not only support the neurodiverse students, but we are reaching for their potential. But we are also creating a richer and more engaging learning experience for all students. Differentiation encourages us to be flexible and responsive educators, meeting the needs of students where they are and helping them grow. Here are a few more strategies you might consider. First, the use of assistive technology can be a game changer, providing students with tools to support their learning like text-to-speech software, graphic organizers, or speech-to-text apps. Choice boards also allows the students to choose how they will complete an assignment, giving them a sense of autonomy and engagement. And scaffold instruction involves breaking down tasks into smaller, more manageable steps, which supports gradually being removed as a student's gain of confidence. And incorporating these strategies into your teaching practices might take time and experimentation. But remember, small changes make a big difference. Start with 2, start with 1, think about what is going to resonate with you and your students' needs, and then build from there. Be patient, flexible, and reflective in your approach. And don't hesitate to speak or to seek support or to collaborate with your colleagues. I hope you found this overview of differentiated instruction helpful. And remember, Our goal is to create an inclusive, supportive, and dynamic learning environment where all students can thrive. Thank you for being a part of this journey and for your commitment to embracing diverse needs for your students. I'm looking forward to exploring more strategies with you in our upcoming sessions, and take care and see you soon.